What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rides. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video where you've probably seen over the past couple of days some beautiful Maseratis sliding around in the ice and snow. I've even been posting some videos on my Facebook and actually some pictures as well if you guys want to go check those out. Link it in the description. But there's a reason for all this madness and beauty. I mean, you have the Maserati MC20 Coupe unveiled in 2020 as the Italian company's new supercar and the spiritual successor of the Ferrari Enzo-based Maserati MC12 from back in 2004 together on ice. And it all happened at the International Concours of Elegance at St. Moritz, Switzerland, where the MC20 joined the MC12 and other beautiful classics bearing the Trident emblem. Now, seeing the white MC20 and MC12 on the frozen lakes of Engadin is a sight to behold. Produced between 2004 and 2005, the MC12 remains the most exotic Maserati ever made, thanks to its long tail, extreme width, low height, and motorsport inspired aero components. Having that said, the MC20 is still a looker, obviously, with most of its compact mid-engine proportions flat by the dual tone treatment and the 3-spoke wheels. Now, the mid-engine rear-wheel drive supercars may be sharing the MC Maserati Corsa prefix on their name and have equal amount of power, but they are quite different in everything else. The MC12 is fitted with a Ferrari-sourced naturally aspirated 6-liter V12 producing 621 horsepower, 463 kilowatts, 630 PS, and 652 newton meters, 481 pound-feet of torque, which is channeled to a rear axle through a 6-speed sequential gearbox. Now that allows a 0 to 100 kilometer or 0 to 62 mile per hour time in just 3.8 seconds with a top speed of 330 kilometers, 205 miles per hour, which is quite impressive for the time it was made. Now, in contrast, the modern MC20 is fitted with a Maserati developed twin-turbo 3-liter V6 producing an identical 621 horsepower, 463 kilowatts, 630 PS, but a more generous 730 newton meters, 538 pound-feet of torque despite having half the cylinders. Now, power is sent to the rear wheels through a faster 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, allowing a 0 to 100 kilometer or 0 to 62 mile per hour acceleration in 2.9 seconds. Although significantly quicker, the MC20 has a top speed of 325 kilometers or 202 miles per hour, which is just 5 kilometers, 3 miles per hour short of the MC12. Now, besides the MC Duo, Maserati brought the heat on ice. There were some sought-after classics at the event, including the stunning A6 GCS 53 Bellunetta Pininfarina, the 4CL, and the 200S race cars, while the Ghibli SS Coupe and the 3500 GT Vignale Coupe. So hopefully you guys saw all of them on the frozen lake, sliding around in the snow. What a beautiful sight to be seen. Something that you rarely ever see and something that we can all appreciate. But with that said, what was your favorite Maserati that they brought to St. Moritz? And if you had one shot to power slide one of these Maseratis on the frozen lake, which one would you take out there? Let me know down in the comments below. Now, if you guys did enjoy the video today, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Giving the video a like will get it up in the rankings. More people can see it, and we'll have a bigger discussion on the Maserati MC12 and MC20 together sliding around on ice. Now, with that said, if you guys want to help further support the channel, always check the links down below. I have a one-time link donation for my PayPal, my Cash App, and my Venmo, just in case you guys want to donate an extra $1 or $2 to the channel. I appreciate that extra love and support, guys. Thank you so much. You guys can also check out the Ron's Rides merch. I got long sleeve shirts, fanny packs, stickers, Kango hats, everything Ron's Rides is there. I'm also on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat. See everything I'm posting, Ferrari, Maserati, and Alfa Romeo that doesn't always make it here to the channel. Now make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, but click that notification bell so you don't miss one video. With that said, you guys be blessed, have a great day, and we will talk to you guys in the next Ron's Rides video. Peace.